a dramatic scene at this hour in front of Montreal's City Hall.
There's a new campaign and exhibit in Montreal reminding us of the dangers of texting and driving.
Each wreck tells its own individual story by the people affected.
Printed on the airbags are the last texts sent before the cars crashed. People can text the numbers associated with each car and they'll get a call back with a recording from the people involved in the accident.
J'ai dû tout réapprendre. Parler, manger, boire, je savais plus rien.
Une fraction de seconde et ça arrive, c'est sur toi. Tout ça pour un petit texte, je suis en route.
Le cellulaire était très important dans sa vie. À la blague, je disais, coudonc, est-ce que c'est ton organe vital, ça? Malheureusement, l'organe vital a survécu à l'accident, mais pas l'horaire.
L'accident a eu lieu le 21 juin 2014.
Everybody knows they shouldn't do it, but I guess when you see this, it's a little harder.
I'm actually taking pictures to show in my classroom because I'm a health teacher.
Vrai texto. On voit des photos.
I'm going to text a story while I'm driving.
The do not disturb function available on most phones.